Hey there, are you tired of all the cliches about what makes someone attractive? Wondering what actually makes men genuinely appealing? Well, today, we're diving deep into 8 specific traits that make men irresistible. No fluff, just facts. If you find this kind of helpful content or intriguing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly videos. Let's dive in. Number 8, full of random facts. Knowledgeable people bring something extra to every conversation. It's like adding a dash of color to a black and white painting. Dropping random facts doesn't just keep conversations engaging. It also reveals a thirst for learning and curiosity about the world. A psychological science study even indicates that people who exhibit curiosity are often perceived as more attractive. This isn't about showing off or one-upping someone. It's about enriching interactions and, in turn, relationships. Being a fountain of random facts is like sprinkling a bit of magic into everyday conversations. It sparks curiosity, encourages engagement, and creates opportunities for shared discoveries. Your ability to share interesting tidbits adds depth to your interactions and conveys that you're open to exploring the world's wonders alongside those you converse with. It's a charming trait that fosters deeper connections and makes you all the more appealing to others. So, the next time you share a trivia tidbit, remember, you're not just sharing information, you're sharing a willingness to explore and understand the world together. Number 7, skills. Being a handyman isn't just a cool thing. It's a statement of self-reliance and resourcefulness. When a man knows how to fix things, it speaks to his adaptability and practical intelligence. Think of it as a real-world application of problem-solving skills. It doesn't mean you need to be a DIY guru or a mechanic, but basic skills around the house can go a long way. Research in human nature even suggests that skills were historically a major factor in mate selection. This is likely because being capable with your hands indicates a broader aptitude for tackling many challenges. Just as a Swiss Army knife is valuable for its versatility, so is a man with a varied skill set. Being handy isn't just about knowing how to wield a toolbox. It's about taking care of your home, solving everyday problems, and even helping others in times of need. From fixing a leaky faucet to building furniture, these skills empower you to navigate life confidently and independently, making you a more capable and attractive partner to those around you. Number 6, nice smile and abs. Physical attraction can serve as the spark, but it takes more to keep the fire burning. A toned physique or captivating smile aren't just tokens of good looks, but also indicators of one's lifestyle choices. Maintaining a healthy body signals discipline, dedication, and even longevity. In fact, according to studies like those from Evolution and Human Behavior, physical attributes often serve as an initial filtering system for potential long-term relationships. It's not just about superficial attraction. It's about projecting an image of health and vitality that goes beyond mere aesthetics. Like a sturdy ship in a storm, these qualities signal that you're built to last. Number 5, humble confidence. Have you ever met someone whose confidence filled the room but didn't suffocate everyone in it? That's humble confidence. It's not about proving how smart or accomplished you are. It's about being secure enough in your abilities that you don't need constant validation. Studies, like those published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin, show that confident individuals often have higher levels of attractiveness. The magnetic aspect of this trait is that it's unassuming. It's like a tall mountain but doesn't block the view of the sky. It lends security, stability, and a sense of balance to relationships, making it one of the cornerstone traits of long-lasting partnerships. Humble confidence is akin to a majestic mountain that proudly stands tall without obstructing the view of the boundless sky. It contributes security, stability, and a profound sense of equilibrium to relationships, thus establishing itself as a fundamental trait for nurturing, enduring partnerships. Humble confidence goes beyond arrogance or ego. It's a serene assurance in one's skills and worth. People with this quality exude approachability, making others feel comfortable in their presence. Number 4. An engaging man. Have you ever had a chat where you feel like you're just going through the motions? How's your day? Fine. End of story. But then those conversations make you feel truly heard and understood. That's where the magic happens, and it's a game changer in making a man truly attractive. When a guy is genuinely curious about your hobbies, dreams, or even the tiny details of your day, it does more than just fill the silence. It builds an emotional bridge between you two. This isn't just chit-chat, it's a connection on a human level. Because let's be honest, we're all more than just our favorite colors or TV shows. Taking real interest in someone means diving into the deep end, not just skimming the surface. It says, hey, I care about what makes you tick, not just what you can offer me. And let's get this straight. It's not just about hearing words, it's about actually listening. Hearing is a passive act. You hear a lot of things during your day, car horns, music, etc. But listening? That's an active skill. It means you're fully present, soaking in the words and reading between the lines. Number 3. A gentleman. Some people think being a gentleman is old-fashioned or not relevant today. But let's set the record straight. It's not about adhering to outdated norms. It's about showing kindness, attentiveness, and a genuine concern for others. And guess what? These traits never go out of style. Simple acts like opening doors or pulling out chairs might seem minor, but they send a loud message that you are thoughtful and observant of other people's needs. It's like turning on a neon sign that says, "I care about you." These acts of kindness aren't about making someone else feel less important. In fact, it's quite the opposite. These actions show that you respect the other person enough to make an extra effort for their comfort. They say you're the type of person who listens, not just hears, who observes, not just sees. Also, there's some science to back this up. According to psychological studies, acts of kindness can actually trigger the release of hormones like oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone, which can make people feel more bonded and connected. Number 2. Well-groomed beard. Facial hair has been making waves in attractiveness studies for years now. In fact, scientific research published in journals like the Journal of Evolutionary Biology suggests that beards are indeed linked to long-term attractiveness. Now, this doesn't mean a scruffy, unkempt beard. We're talking about a well-maintained one. It serves to accentuate jawlines and lends a mature look to the face. A good beard can be like the frame that enhances a painting. It takes something already appealing and elevates it. This isn't just fashion talk. This is rooted in evolution. Facial hair can be perceived as a sign of maturity and masculinity, which can be translated subconsciously as signs of good genes. So, if you're sporting facial fuzz, make sure it's more leading man and less mountain hermit. Number 1. Sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor is like having a secret weapon in the realm of attractiveness. Women appreciate men who can make them laugh, diffuse tense situations with a joke, or simply turn a boring evening into an adventure. But beware, humor is a double-edged sword. Too much joking around can lead to you not being taken seriously. Imagine if you're discussing future plans, and all you can do is crack jokes. The comedy loses its charm, doesn't it? So the point is to be funny, but also to know when to put on the serious hat. It's like cooking with salt. A pinch enhances the flavor, but too much ruins the dish. Research has even shown that humor signifies intelligence and creativity, highly attractive qualities. But keep in mind, humor isn't about being a stand-up comedian 24/7. It's about knowing how to balance levity and seriousness to create a harmonious relationship. And there you have it, the traits that genuinely elevate a man's attractiveness. Each of these characteristics builds a multi-dimensional persona that goes far beyond surface-level appeal. If you liked this video and think these insights could be useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep keep enhancing those traits and be the best version of yourself.